outer surface of the heart, external surface. So you have, first of all, when you see during your exam, you will see the heart. You have to know which is the front and back. You don't know which is the front and back right now. So how to find out the front and back, anterior, posterior? By looking this sulcus, diagonal. See sulcus right here? This is the anterior. You cannot see. Sulcus, right? Anterior sulcus. Anterior ventricular septum is here. So this whole structure, right side of this sulcus, atrioventricular, interventricular sulcus. This structure is called right ventricle. Okay, and all this structure is left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle. And this one is called auricle. Look like ear. So look like ear. See, look like ear. Auricle. Left auricle and right auricle is here. This is the right auricle. Okay, this is the right auricle. You can remove some of the fat. The right auricle. I already dissected it. So you can see inside the chamber. See, this small chamber. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. If you say both, atria. Atrium is the singular, atria is the plural. Right atrium, left atrium, or you can say right auricle, left auricle. Same thing. Okay. So, the structure which is closer to this right ventricle can bring with the heart model. So this is the right ventricle, right? So from the right ventricle, when the heart pumps blood, it goes to the pulmonary artery. See right here. So this is the pulmonary artery. See right here. Right ventricle, when it pumps blood, it goes to a pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery right here. Okay. So the pulmonary artery, you can see here the pulmonary valve right here. Pulmonary valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve, right? You have to say semilunar valve. See right here, pulmonary valve. See this one. This is the pulmonary valve. Okay, this one. So pulmonary valve is there to prevent from backflow. Okay. So this is the pulmonary valve inside. Pulmonary semilunar valve. This is the pulmonary trunk, and it bifurcates into two. One goes to right lungs, and one goes to the left lungs. These are impure blood, right? It goes to the lungs for the purification of the blood. So this is pulmonary trunk, and this one, the bigger one. See this one? This one. This is called aorta, largest artery. Aorta. See, this pumps blood all over the body. And where the blood is coming from here, left ventricle. When the left ventricle pumps, blood goes to the aorta. Okay? And when the right ventricle pumps blood, it goes to the pulmonary trunk. Okay? So you can see here another blood vessels. This is a pulmonary artery, pulmonary trunk, right? And when it goes to the lungs, from the lungs it comes back to the pulmonary vein. See, this is the pulmonary vein right here. See, from the right and left lungs, blood comes to the left atrium, right? This is the left atrium. So blood comes to the left atrium from the right and left lungs through this one. This one is the blood vessel is not there; it's already cut. So this is called pulmonary vein, which drains to the left atrium. Okay, and I can show you superior vena cava also. Superior vena cava is this superior vena cava. See right here. Superior vena cava. Superior vena cava drain blood to the right atrium. Superior vena cava. Okay, this is superior vena cava right here. Okay. Inferior vena cava I cannot show you. Superior vena cava. See this one, superior vena cava. It drains to the right atrium. This is the right atrium. Right atrium. Okay. So after I dissect, I already dissected it. So I've dissected. When you open up, so look like this. Okay. you can see here. You can see here the right ventricle wall myocardium is thinner in comparison to the left ventricle. See, left ventricle is thicker, right ventricle is thinner. See right here, thinner. Why left ventricle is thicker? Why? Because the left ventricle is thicker because it has to pump blood all over the body, right? That's why it's thicker. So in the exam, if they point here, this is the myocardium. This is myocardium. Okay, myocardium is thicker myocardium, myocardial muscles. Okay, and thinner myocardial muscles. And this one is a upper chamber. Also, always show you as you dissected upper chamber. And these are called. See right here. This is a bicuspid valve. So I'll show you. So here you will see bicuspid valve. These are bicuspid valve. See right here. These are tricuspid valve right here, and bicuspid valve will be here. These are the bicuspid valve, mitral valve. Okay, and this one is right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, remove this one, and this thread-like structure. What is called? Chordae tendini. See this one? You can hold the heart. You don't break down. Okay, chordae tendini. See, it's very strong. They are connected with the papillary muscle in the bottom. See right here? They are papillary muscle. These are papillary muscle. They are connected to the papillary muscle. They are chordae tendini. This chordae tendini, what it does? Close and open the valve. So this is called tricuspid valve. Left side of the heart. Tricuspid valve. Okay, and the upper chamber is here. So blood from the upper chamber comes to the lower chamber. Okay, they are papillary muscle. Trabeculae carne is here, right here, this area. Okay, and when the left ventricle contracts, blood goes where? Blood goes to the pulmonary. See aorta. See right here, this direction. When the upper chamber contracts, blood goes to the lower chamber. When the lower chamber contracts this area, blood goes to the aorta. See right here, aorta. This is the aorta. Right? This is the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. This way, and they have aortic semilunar valve also. You can see here, the aortic semilunar valve. Okay, aortic semilunar valve, and if you see here, pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery. Sorry. Pulmonary artery. See, this is the pulmonary artery. See right here. So when the upper chamber contracts, atrium, blood comes to the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, blood goes to the pulmonary artery. See, this is the pulmonary artery. Remember, I told you. Sorry. Pulmonary artery. Right here. See pulmonary artery. This one, pulmonary artery. From here, blood goes to the pulmonary artery. Got it? Pulmonary artery and the aorta. This is the opening of the pulmonary artery right here. This is the aorta. This one, pulmonary artery. Okay. So, do you have any questions here? You just the dissect heart from the lateral side, and you observe everything inside the heart. And if you have any questions, you can talk to me. Thank you.